Again, most welcome to again my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you are fine and good now. Like the block builder game available now, and I will be requesting beyond of watching this video because I will be helping to you how to complete with this game. Like be this asking to you like we collect 550,000 screens. How to collect now? So guys, this is the game. Everything more easily now, not to be any hair problems. Just I request you be end of watching now. I will be completely helping to you and how to complete to be this game, because many of people are request to me and making this about this video. So I will be helping to you, and don't not to be skipping this video because I'm more helping to you. And I hope you will be enjoy this video and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm more helping to you. Love you guys, and let's start this video. So guys, I'm already download this game and I will be helping to you because many of people sometimes not to be understand. I will be completely guide to you how to will be complete with this game. Because this is the more interesting game and I will be helping to you. And like playing this game and collect your coins also before, because many of people sometimes not really understand how to complete this game. I will be making again starting now.